Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Hi everyone, welcome back. So the first thing we are going to do in today's video is unbox this beautiful new chair I got from 25 Home. I don't know if you've ever heard of them, but oh my, do they have some high quality, durable, and gorgeous pieces to choose from. So they reached out to me and I had to have this HYGGE white armchair. This chair is stunning and it literally feels like it's hugging you. It's big and roomy and it's so comfy. The linen is breathable, it's pliable, it's soft and skin friendly, making it great for kids and pets. It also is scratch and stain resistant. My favorite thing though about this chair is that every single piece of linen is detachable, which makes it easy to clean. I will have this chair linked below for you if you want to go check them out. 25 Home. You can also save 5% on your order if you click the link below. That is an affiliate link, but go check it out. I would not lie to y'all. This chair is amazing. It also has the Velcro there, so that way it doesn't slip and slide whenever you're sitting on it. And like I said, it's so durable. It's also extremely easy to move. I don't know what kind of feet this thing have, but just to slide it across the carpet was so easy. So definitely go check them out. So now I am going to go ahead and put up the Christmas tree. I have been wanting to do this forever, but I finally got a few things for the fall tree. So I just tinkered with the fall tree last year. This year we actually went with my mother-in-law and we got a few more things for it. So now I'm just starting a whole thing with my tree. I'm just going to start collecting things every year, making things every year for the fall tree. I haven't done it in the past, so I definitely didn't have a lot of decor for the tree, and we're doing everything on a budget this year. So definitely was fun being creative and making stuff for this tree. So that brings us to today's video sponsor, which is OLLNY. I ordered the 500 LED 164 feet of the warm white Christmas lights, the green cable plug-in, and they have 8 different modes. I also got the 594 LED 49 feet warm white Christmas icicle lights. They're a clear cable. I will show y'all those in just a minute. And then we also got the 400 LED 20-foot warm white Christmas cluster lights. These are absolutely beautiful. I will show y'all those when we put them on the fireplace. They are stunning. So these are for Christmas, but you can definitely use them for fall. I will be using them to transition into Christmas this year. So OLLNY is giving my subscribers a 15% off code. So that code is JOY, J-O-Y for you, and you can get 15% off of that order. So I'm going to go ahead and put these lights on the tree, and then I'm going to show you how beautiful they look and my little technique for putting the lights on the tree. And then I'm also going to show you the cluster lights, take you outside, and show you the icicle lights as well. So this tree was pre-lit, but a couple of the pieces went out, so I've been putting lights on it every year. this year I am trying to tie the lights in because these are more of a twinkle light. So I'm just kind of wrapping the branches around the light to just make the light peek through, but kind of hide some of those wires. And I might go through again before I put my Christmas decor on and do this more thoroughly. I was kind of in a rush this day, but you can kind of get the idea that I like the lights actually sticking out more. And then I'm going to stack this tree full of decor and bows and ribbons and all that, so the wires will also help hold some things in place there. So these come with a remote, which is great. You don't have to crawl under the tree every time you want to unplug it or turn it off. So that's definitely convenient. These have 8 different modes, so you have some stuff to choose from. On their website, they have the beautiful color lights too. I know a lot of people are into the colorful lights, and for me, I use so much color in the decor already, and I really love the traditional Christmas red and greens and all those colors, so I always stick with white lights. So these are the cluster lights. These were even more gorgeous than I was expecting. I am just laying them on the fireplace. You really don't have to do much with these. I can imagine all the different things you could do with these. They are absolutely beautiful when they're lit though. They are so bright. There's so many of them, and they're so clustered together, like, you know, they're called cluster lights. They really make a huge impact, and I will show you how everything turned out and even give you some that were in the night, so that way you could see how nice and glowy everything was. And then of course the outside lights. I know I've never showed y'all the outside of our home or the front door or anything, but this is how the lights turned out, the icicle lights. They're absolutely beautiful. We're probably not going to keep them on just yet, but probably Thanksgiving night we'll turn them on. That's usually when we turn on the outside lights. So anyway, they're absolutely beautiful. They have 8 different modes as well. So I just wanted to show y'all how those turned out. So now here we are. We're going to make some decor for the tree. So we were at Hobby Lobby. Everything was 66% off, and we got this garland here, but I'm going to go ahead and take it apart and use it as picks on the tree. I just love the blues in it and the different textures in this. It was just different, and I liked it because it had like a farmhouse feel, but it was also modern. So I really love those. I love those colors. We got a couple of blue pumpkins, some blue leaves. I'm just throwing in a few touches of blue since I have decided to keep the living area blue. And when I say that, it's because our door is blue. The kitchen island and stuff is kind of blue. So everything's got like a blue tint to it. So I definitely wanted to throw in some more blue decor. And now I'm just using these this yarn, and I'm tying it on the pumpkins, and then I'm going to also make a garland with these soft pumpkins here, these fabric pumpkins. And then I'm going to show y'all how I put those all on the tree. It turned out super, super cute. I absolutely love that. And I'm also going to show y'all how I make just very simple bows. I don't know how big I'm going to go for Christmas with bows. I am kind of into bows this year, so we'll see how far that takes us. I might just go on a bow making rampage. I don't know yet. But this is how the garland turned out, and I just think they're so, so cute. I think a fall tree is so, so cute. It's kind of a new concept, I think, here in America. But, I mean, like, we don't overdo everything already. But I really like it. It's super cozy. It's very cozy, and it's just super cute. And it transitions us well into Christmas. So now I already have the tree ready to go. I can just go get my decorations and put it up, so it'll be a lot easier for me. So I really like the way this turned out. So go check out OLLNY. I'll have them linked down below as well. And like I said, you'll get 15% off of those lights. So this is kind of how I do the trees. But usually with Christmas trees, I have a lot more decor. So I would start with the big stuff first, and then work my way down to the little stuff. But since we don't have a lot yet, we're going to do it this way. I'm also just making some really simple bows. I absolutely loved this ribbon, and I think it tied the tree into the room with more of the neutral colors. So I just wanted to pull those neutral colors in, but I don't like to overdo the neutrals. I think sometimes it can get bland, or just, you've seen one, you've seen them all type of thing. I don't know. I just really like when it comes to holidays, I like traditional decor, but I am trying to tie in some of the neutrals because I think they're pretty as well. But I like to mix it up. So that's how that went. And I think it's really, really cute. Y'all let me know down below. I'm just going to add some leaves in here just to fill it up a little more. Like I said, next year, hopefully we can get some more things and just keep adding to the tree every year. It's, it's a process. You don't have to go out and buy everything in one year. Just work with what you have. And then every year it'll get better and better after that if you just buy a little bit here and there. And especially when it goes on sale, that makes a huge difference. So anyway, that's how the tree turned out. And I will show y'all how the lights and the tree and everything looks in just a minute.
Paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes.
So this is how everything turned out, and I absolutely love it. After this, we're going to go clean the kitchen.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck.
So this part of the video was filmed actually a couple weeks ago, but I just cannot let this footage go. It took me a while to get it uploaded and edited, but my in-laws came down and it was like a surprise visit. So we ran to the store and loaded up on groceries and got a bunch of stuff, spent the day out shopping with my mother-in-law, and it was just a really fun time. Always a good visit when they're here. So anyway, I'm just gonna unload, I'm taking all the groceries out of the bag, and then I'm just gonna show y'all real quick kind of what we got. We had already put away the cold stuff mostly, so it was kind of just the dry goods that I'm showing y'all, but it was just a tiny little spare of the moment grocery haul that I wanted to do for y'all because I haven't done a grocery haul with y'all in forever. So anyway, I wanted to show y'all some of the stuff we got. So we got some of, this is my favorite coffee, the Hawaiian hazelnut coffee beans are so good. We got some more chili tomatoes because y'all know I love to make chili, some pineapples, and also some Bisquick for the kids' pancakes. Got some ketchup, some flour, some Crisco. My husband got a set of nail care. We got some bread, pistachios, some garlic, some crackers, some hamburger helper for those days I don't want to cook, garlic, spaghetti pastas, tomatoes, onions, pears, and then we got some grease, some Hershey's syrup, some soup mixes, and also some of this stuff my mother-in-law had brought down. We got some potatoes and some olive oil, some syrup. This is our favorite pasta sauce here. We use that to make pizzas and spaghetti. Then we also got some strawberry, and then we got some grapes. So that was about it. We got the baby some Nutri-Grain bars. He loves Nutri-Grain bars, some flour, some Welch's fruit snacks. And then my husband picked out these body washes. They were so good, and I cannot remember. I think they were at Marshall's. I'm not sure, though. And then he also found this fear pong game, which is really cute for Halloween next year. And then we also got some soaps. I got this goat's milk soap. I wanted to try that out. And then I also got this one. It's like a lemon kind of scent, and it smells so good. And then some new deodorants. I really like this brand, Humble. And then I also got me some more eye cream because Mama needed some eye cream. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and, and I also got this spider web and this little pumpkin patch thing for next year. And yeah, lots of stuff there. And then it was JC's birthday, so my mother-in-law had bought him some clothes as well for his birthday. So now we're just going to go ahead and organize the pantry a little bit, put this food away, and get the kitchen cleaned up.
Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway heart. Halfway hard. Sing to me if I lose my voice. Set a better route if I lose my course. Count on my company and I will come. Save me when I am falling. Save me when I am falling. Save my love when I fall. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway hard. Send a little love, I'll make it back.
So this video does kind of end abruptly, unfortunately. I'm sorry about that, guys, but I am just going to wipe these counters down for y'all, and then we're going to call it a day. I love you all. Take care of each other. I will see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to go check out OLLNY and 25 Home. I will talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.